Sujee of Elephant Scale. I am going to show you how to install and run Spark. So we are up to lab number 2.1 and you guys have the instructions already. What I want to do is I'm going to run through this lab on my screen and then give you guys a few minutes to do this on your own. So for now, just please follow along with me on my screen. Alright, step 1, logging into your logging into your Spark machine. And you all have your own Spark virtual machines, and I am logged into mine. Very good. Step 2, we are going to install Spark. And we have provided instructions here to install Spark. And whenever you see an instruction set like this with a $sign in front right here, that means these commands have to be entered in a terminal. And when you're entering the commands in the terminal, do not copy the $sign, right? Just copy only the command. Just a little tip. All right, so I'm going to follow along with the script. This one actually says do a remove because it wants to remove any old installation of Spark. That's fine, we don't have any. And for convenience, we have actually downloaded a Spark distribution into the file section. So if you look at the file section, and this is the command I'm using to list the files directory, you will see a bunch of files and you will see the latest Spark right here. And this is the one we are actually going to install. So how am I going to install is it's very simple. We have the command to do that right here. Just go ahead and copy paste that into your terminal, and that will actually unpack the Spark distribution. There we go, it's done pretty quick. And if I do an ls again, there we go, I see my shiny new Spark folder. One last thing I'm asking to do is I'm just renaming this folder as Spark, just so it's easy for us to type. That's it. So I just did the command, and if I do another list, you can see my Spark folders right here. Perfect. Now we have installed Spark. Step 3, we are going to run Spark. So what I want to do is I'm going to cd to the Spark directory I just created. Let's do that again. Enter this in the terminal, and this takes us into the Spark folder, as you can see. And then this is the command to run Spark. Again, I'm copying and pasting the command onto the terminal. That's it. Very good. Okay. So it looks like it says starting master, and then it says starting worker. Okay, sounds good. How do we verify these things are running? The command to verify this is jps. So here, just go ahead and type jps. And there we go. Fantastic. I see both the worker and the master processes running. Excellent. Step 4 is the Spark UI. So when a Spark is running, it actually publishes a dashboard, and we are going to look at the dashboard. So dashboard usually comes on port number 8080. You guys can see here. So what we're going to do is go to a machine, the Spark virtual machine we are running, right? And we all have this. One second. Yep, this is my machine, Spark machine IP address. Copy that. And I'm going to open a new browser tab and then go to the machine. And the port number I have to go to is 8080. So just type that in and hit enter. There we go. We see the Spark dashboard. You can see a Spark master is running. It's version 160 right here. And we see all the details, how much memory, how much CPU they are using. And here we have one worker. Remember, we are running a single node system. So we have a single master and a single worker. There we go. We have Spark up and running in under 5 minutes. Not bad at all, huh? Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Now I'm going to let you do this on your own on your Spark machines. Alright, thank you for watching.